Woo-wee, check it out. Here's what I got. Hopefully you got the same thing. I'm going to run through it really quick. Take out the GCF. The GCF is 6x squared. When we take out the GCF, we get 3x squared minus 4x minus 1. That's a quadratic. So now you can say, okay, can I factor 3x squared minus 4x minus 1? No, you're not going to find two numbers that multiply to -3, but at the same time add to -4. All right, at least not integers. So now what happens from here is we are going to plug our a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. And when we do that, we get a positive quantity inside the square root. We get 28. Now we need to break that up using a biggest perfect square we can find. Not just any perfect square, but the biggest. And the biggest is 4. And its partner is going to be 7 because 4 times 7 would take us back to 28. Square root of 4 is 2. The square root has been used. You do not carry the square root on this 2. Why? We only have one square root. We used it to get to. It's a naked 2. It's not in jail. Now, the last thing we want to do is get to the heart of what matters and see if we can simplify the numbers outside the jail cell, the square root. And we can divide each of those by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Boom. 2 divided by 2 is 1. There's no reason to write it, but if you do, it's not wrong. Just keep in mind that if you write that superfluous 1 in right here, when you go to put it into Math Excel, leave it off because Math Excel will count it as wrong because technically the answer isn't completely simplified because 1 times the square root of 7 is the square root of 7. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we get 3 answers here. We get the 0, that was 1, and then we get 2 solutions from the quadratic e that we got, the quadratic equation that we got. We get 1 plus the square root of 7 over 3, but we also get its partner with a minus, 1 minus the square root of 7 over 3. So this polynomial equation doesn't have 1 solution, it doesn't have 2, it has 3 solutions. 3 solutions. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please show me your notes, and then you'll be able to start practicing this concept in Math Excel. Before we go, I'd like to leave you with a musical interlude. This is WMIL 212.0, the station where you learn math. Ciao.